Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are FinScholar consultants and we are back with another lecture of Excel tutorial. In today's lecture, I'm going to go on with the alignment and number group in the home bar. Yeah, I'm going to start with the alignment thing. You see, first of all, I'm going to tell you about what the merge and center is. If I click that mark sheet, or it's already merged, wait, if I click the mark sheet and I select all the columns and click merge and center, it will merge all the columns and center the text. Similarly, it has other options: merge across, merge cells and unmerge cells. Now I'm going to go on with the wrap text option. You see, if I want my all text to being wrapped in a particular column or row or a cell, I will use that option. For example, I have written here mark sheet. You see, it's not fully shown here, but I want it to show in this particular cell. Alright, so I'll click the wrap text. You see, it wrapped the text. Now I can use it in any way. I can, shorten the cell size. That's too short. And I can, extend the cell size. It'll wrap in the same cell. It will not go outside the cell. Alright, now I'm going to tell you about these. These are basically line alignments. Alright, yeah, middle align, bottom align, align right. You see, now if I click that 55 for example, you see align right. If I click it, it align to right. Align left, it's aligned to left. Align center, it's aligned to center. You see, because this is a small cell, this is a big cell, I can show you about these one. Middle align, bottom align, top align. I can use both too. For example, middle align and center. You see, this is how these alignment works. Now there is another option here, decrease indecent and increase indent, sorry, not indecent. So what decrease indent do? I'll click on it. I have to be on a short cell. It's already further away, that's why it's not doing it. But anywho, you see, it takes the basically, we're not moving because there's a border here, and it's the limitation. You can move it to right and it will get out of the cell. You see, I will extend. Similarly, decrease indent, we'll back it. Now I'm going to tell you about the orientation options. If I click it, you see the orientation: angled counterclockwise, angled clockwise, it's vertical text, it's rotate text up, it's rotate text down. Alright, now there are more options here. Format cell alignment. If I click here, you see these are more or less all the options I have discussed with you. There is one option here, shrink to fit. I want to show it to you. For example, the mark sheet is out of the sheet. If I click the shrink to fit, oh, it's wrapped, that's why I unwrap it and I want to shrink it to fit. You see, if I click shrink to fit, it is shrink to fit in a cell. Right, now similarly, there is another new option here, orientation. You can move the text like this. You see, it's like this. If I click it OK, it's like this. So this is mostly about this alignment portion. Now I'm going to go on the number portion. It's a small portion, it's very easy one. You see, I'll click here on the 60. This is accounting number format. If I click it, pound sign appear here. If I click here, dollar sign. So these are the options, these are the number formats: general, number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, ABC. I'm going to go on them in another time, in another lecture, because these are very detailed things. I just wanted to know that what is actually placed here in this portion. It's a number format. Right, I can increase the number of decimal points from this. You see, I can increase them from this. This is a percentage. If I click on it, it will actually convert the number into a percentage. You see, 6500. And this is a comma style, and I have the number has to be a bigger one. Alright, if I click it, it will place a comma between the number. It's very useful for the finance and accounting people. And this is it for this lecture. I really hope that it's really informative for you. We'll keep on bringing more lectures for you, and I hope you like it. Kindly like and subscribe our page, and we will be back with another lecture. And thank you so much.